Hi, Mastering Pivotal Cloud Foundry for Web Developers. Again, my name's Braith Warnock, and I'm an Enterprise Cloud Architect in the financial space with EY, or Ernst & Young. I specialize in cloud technologies and specifically cloud platform technologies like Pivotal Cloud Foundry and Kubernetes and OpenShift. I hold a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science from Cal State Dominguez Hills. Also, I've worked with many large-scale PCF installations at places like Comcast, Ford, Dish Network, HSBC, and Charles Schwab. I have been working with Java and Spring for several years. Over the years, I've developed over 100 PCF native Spring Boot applications for many projects spanning quite a few companies. In Section 1, we'll be going over PCF core concepts at an advanced level. We'll cover things such as security considerations in PCF, security groups, container, networking, and security. We'll go over some resource limitations. We'll go over autoscaling applications with the app autoscaler service, root services, volume services, user-provided services, Cloud Foundry SDK, to name a few, as well as disaster recovery strategies. And for Section 2, we'll be going in-depth into PCF architecture. We'll be going into the guarded container, the Cloud Controller and the Cloud Foundry API, the CFGO router, the Diego brain, high-level load balancing using F5, internal PCF authentication with the UAA server, the Diego brain, and allocation of resources. In Section 3, we'll be deploying a supporting microservices architecture to PCF. This includes things like the discovery service in PCF, the config server, and the circuit breaker dashboard, and the discovery server, or Eureka. So for Section 4, we'll bring it all together. We'll view our running microservice architecture in PCF, and we'll view the dashboards for the circuit breaker dashboard, and we'll learn how to interpret that. There are some preliminary concepts that will be very helpful, particularly with regards to virtualization, containerization, and cloud technologies in general. It'll help to understand some Java, some object-oriented programming with Java, some computer networking concepts, object relational mapping. It'll be good to know a little bit about RabbitMQ and other, event-driven architectures and message queues. You'll want to know a little bit about the Spring framework and particularly the inversion of control and aspect-oriented programming aspects of the Spring framework. However, this course is mostly self-contained. And again, finally, at the ending of this course, you should have a very good working knowledge of Cloud Foundry. You should be able to go into a company and be able to be very productive as a developer and as an architect in a PCF environment. That's the goal of this course, is for me to transfer all of the things that have made me a successful Java developer in the PCF world and to transfer that over, and so you guys can benefit from the knowledge as much as I have. So we'll be going over all of the critical important concepts that you need to be successful as a Java developer in a PCF environment. And thank you. I hope you enjoy the course.